Hey there, candy lovers. Today, we're going to take a glimpse into the fascinating world of candy cane making. So, buckle up and let's dive into the sweet world of confectionery. Did you know that candy canes were originally created in the shape of a hoop? That's right. Back in the day, farmers would use these to keep their livestock in check. It was only in the 1960s that we saw the transformation of these hoops into the familiar shape we know and love today. Now, let's talk about the production process. It all starts with mixing sugar and corn syrup, which is then heated up to a whopping 150 degrees. The mixture is then boiled until it reaches the perfect consistency. Once cooled, peppermint oil is added for that refreshing flavor we all crave. The next step involves twisting the candy cane dough through hot rolling pins and stretching it until it reaches its final form. The dough is then cut into strips and twisted onto a revolving drum before being dipped in hot honey water to create that beautiful shiny coating. Finally, it's off to cool down before being packaged and ready for you to enjoy. So there you have it, folks. A behind-the-scenes look at how candy canes are made. Now you can impress your friends with your newfound knowledge of this sweet treats creation process. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun facts and insights.